I don't know. Maybe you've heard of this this sound that can be heard all over the world, not necessarily here in Winnipeg where I am and I heard it, but Saudi Arabia, Afghanistan, Poland, and some other places around the world where they've heard this sound.
Skip the out, scoop.
You know, a little curious. I'd heard about it. Some people had told me about it. I'd seen a couple of YouTube videos on it.
Skip the scoop.
So I'm out on the sun porch, like I often am, you know, just checking out the back alley, seeing how things are going out there. And just, you know, out of nowhere, I hear it.
Scrap.
And so I believe now, right? So I heard it, and at first I didn't know if that was it, right? I'm putting my ear out there, and you know, was that the sound that I heard? And it was faint at first, right? I knew that was the sound that I heard. It's just super crazy. And someone at work had mentioned that it sounds exactly like War of the Worlds. And I didn't know what that meant, and I mean, I still don't know what that means. It was the sound pretty much undescribable, except for that one description, but whether it was accurate or not, I don't know.
Skapsit.